Greetings and welcome back to Astroneer. Alright, I am still on DeSolo, but I am very close to leaving. As a matter of fact, if you'll see here, I'm pretty well stacked up here. I got a whole bunch of this wolframite, which I'm going to be turning into tungsten upon arrival. I'm going to put that in the smelter and smelt that all down. I also managed to get some extra batteries. I was doing some exploring too. Remember, I showed up here with 2 batteries, and I have, I think, 2 in my backpack right now, and then I have another one over here. So I also found other stuff in my travels as well. Not really very useful to me here, although one of them turns out is going to be very useful. I found out a wind turbine, a medium one. I got a medium printer, a medium solar, a little solar, and this, which turns out is going to be useful. Because before leaving, I looked around a little bit, right? Now, you'll see this thing right here. This is a research sample. It's the little ones, you know? I got that from one of the power boxes. You see, if you look at this power box over here, see, this one isn't open, right? This has just the little cable coming out and nothing else. There are some that have little gauges. For instance, I got stuck over here. For instance, over here, where I open up the one with the mineral, you'll notice the other one is opened up now. Now, let's just walk over here, and you'll see that actually has gauges. So I made a small generator in order to plug it in. I still had that small generator. As a matter of fact, I'm going to take that small generator with me. Let me just grab that for the moment. And I'm going to, for the moment, I'm going to leave one of my batteries behind. I'm not leaving it behind. Batteries are one of those things that you take with you, right? All right, so like I said, I found the packager, so I'm holding on to that. I'm also bringing this along, too. Because before I left, I went looking around, right? And from the distance, I noticed something off that way. So we're going to go off this way here, because I noticed something that would be very, very useful. 2 things, in fact. So let's just go over here. All right, I'm up, I'm up, I'm up, I'm up, I'm up. And after this, we're just going to leave. All right, so where was the other one? Okay, for here, that's not the one. Is that the one I was looking for? I don't think that's the one I was looking for, was it? No, it wasn't. I'm in the wrong location. But it wasn't that far. Okay, there we go. There we go. Let's go around here. Okay, you'll notice that one has gauges on it, right? All right, so let's just do this. Yeah, you know what? I just realized I might end up having an oxygen issue. Hold on a second. Small generator. Sit like here. Okay, and just kind of like plug that in there. There we go. And then turn that on. Okay, so you notice in this case what's going on, it's building up power, right? Is there anything around here that can keep me alive? All right, hold on a minute. Yeah, I'm gonna start running into issues here. Boom, all right. For the moment, I'm gonna take this back. Okay, oh, that's actually a little one. Yeah, that's right, that's a little one. All right, grab that, grab that. All right. There was another one. There was a one that opens with a mineral. I'll have to keep my eyes open for it. I know that I saw it. First of all, oh, there it is, right there. There it is, right there. Okay. Oh, I have no idea how deep that was. Okay. Okay, I'm actually gonna have to do something about this because I'm dying. Is that, if I could just find some resin nearby, that would be useful. Hold on a minute. But unfortunately, I didn't think to leave with any, and my oxygen is gonna start going down. So let's just go over here for a moment. Yeah, see, the oxygen's going down there. All right. For the moment, I no longer need the generator. Actually, I no longer need it. I'm gonna be leaving it behind. I might as well just bring the rest with me. All right, how are we doing? Okay, we're full. All right, let's just go on back now. I think it was this way. I hope it was this way, because otherwise I'm gonna suffocate. Now, the ones that come out of the mineral one, like that one, those are the big ones. So it's good that I found that packager lying around because it's convenient. Actually, it comes in there. All right, so hold on a second. let's just take this. And okay, okay, right there. No, pick that up. Get in there. There we go. Okay, so let's just take that out, put that over here. Okay, and if I want to bring this back, of course, I'm going to have to shrink it. So, as I said, it was lucky that I found the packager. Just found it lying on the ground. Okay, and we're taking that. And let's go. This way. So I got everything I need. The big thing I came for, of course, was wolframite. Extra batteries, and of course extra research points, because 40,000 just isn't enough. No, it isn't. Especially when you start looking at some of the things that are really expensive there, right? Alright, so I'm going to be taking the other research item with me. I'm going to be taking the battery with me. Now, I could probably fit some more stuff over here. Take that. Now, I found something in the cave that I'm not bringing back. Actually, I found a couple of things here. If I need it for some reason, I'll come back. But I was looking down here. Let's just take a look quickly. I found this. And this is like an alignment tool. Deforms terrain along horizontal. Yeah, I can actually make one of those. It's not very expensive. And I do know it's here. I also found... This isn't the only one that I found. Here, hold it a second. They're like pawn pieces or something like that. There was like 2 more, and I don't really know what they're for, but at the moment I can't afford to be collecting. So maybe when I come back with a large ship and a lot of space, we can do that. Because I did leave the big old shiny ball behind on Glacio. Or Glacio, or whichever it is. Alright, am I done? I mean, these things are nice, but I mean, I can't take them with me. I just don't have space. You can see at the moment, I'm kind of full. I mean, I could get enough graphite to make another, packager and take one of the bigger items with me. I just don't think it means that much to me. I mean, I could always kind of come back. I probably will come back for one reason or another. Probably for more of this stuff, actually. But I do think it is time to go. So let's take the oxygenator out. Let's leave it over here where it's nice and safe. Let's put that in there. And let's head back home because we need to cook that stuff and start making new stuff, right? Yeah, I'm looking around while I'm there. I did see a big, like, fallen thing in the background. You might have noticed it was like a little orangey thing. Yeah, I figured whatever it is, I can always come back to it, right? All right, so let's just do C and be very careful now. We're going back to Silva, so let's go on back home. And let's find our base, right? Okay, and there goes the boom. The solid fuel thruster has just gone kaput. Okay, I guess it's this way. All right, where is... Okay, that's not... That was the cave marker over there. So that wasn't our marker. I got to be very careful. I can't click on the wrong thing. Very important. I don't want to make a mistake. Okay, that's a pole. See, that right there, that's the cave marker. Can I go sideways or something? I'm very concerned about touching anything or doing anything like that. It's just that if the cave is there, is the other one at a bad angle or something like that? I'm looking for the marker for the, I guess the shelter? I guess it's the shelter, the little home marker, right? That was the cave one. I didn't see the cave one the first time, which tells me I'm in a different location here. If it is the other side of the planet... Okay, there's another... Is that it? Oh, I see it over there. Now, can I click something over there? Okay. Is that it? I think it is. Okay. Okay, let's do it. I hope I clicked wisely. Because there is a landing pad there. And I landed on the landing pad. Okay. I'm out. Okay, so let's just take this guy out of here. Medium storage silo. Boom on the ground. All right, let's take some stuff out of here because I'm just going to take the whole silo and put it down. Okay, the research items, the seed, battery, solid fuel thruster, and 2 more batteries. Yeah, 3 batteries. I got 3 batteries while I was there. Oh, and I think I have one of the... yeah, I have one of these. Here, hold it a second. There we go. All right, let's just see what we have here. All right, why don't we just take this out, put that over there, and then take this and plop that down there. All right, so that's going to start making me the tungsten that I need. All right, so that's good. All right, now I want to actually see what these things are worth here. By these things, we'll start with this one. That's one of the big ones. Oh, the other ones I have in my inventory. All right, boom. I may just put one of the inventory ones down there because I am interested to see what they're worth. So let's just examine this, right? Oh, I didn't put it in there yet. Hold on a second. All right, I got 2 of these. I just want to see what it's worth, right? Okay, that is $13.50. Okay, so those are kind of the same ones that I found on the planet here. All right, so I'm going to take that out now. Okay, now this one, I'm going to F that. I'm kind of counting on that one being a little bit more. Okay, hold on a second. There we go. And this one is $25.80. All right, well, we're going to do that first. I said about a couple would be nice, right? So I got 2 of those, and I got 2 of these. Oh, let me put the other one down, actually. All right, so I will work on them over time. Let me just get the other one and put that over there. And let me get the batteries. That one, and there was another one. There we go. Because I want to put them in my wall of batteries here. Oh, you went and you did that. No, don't do that. Don't, where is it? Okay, hold on a minute. No, I don't want that. No, put that back. There we go. This, put that there. Quickly. There. Okay, with the 2 of them going, I'm draining my batteries very quickly. Here, hold on a minute. All right, turn on medium generator. Okay, the medium generator is definitely helping there. Okay, so I do have... Where is it now? I have tungsten now. I actually have a lot of tungsten. I think it's like 14 I brought back or something. No, it was like... I think it was 16 or 18. That thing is still smelting. I don't mind the carbon. I don't mind burning the carbon. All right, now, the big thing, of course, is now let's start figuring out what we're going to make. And we know what we're going to make. Oh, wrong one. This. All right, this should be a 3. All right. Chem lab. Let's unlock that. I need ceramic and glass. And I just happen to have both. I think that's copper. Oh, I know what a ceramic is. It's right there. Oh, I don't have space. Oh, that's because I have the batteries on me. Hold on a minute. Okay, you go over there. And then you take the battery. Thank you. And then we'll take the copper, throw the copper over there, and then you can take another battery. Okay, and I'm pretty sure, okay, that actually drained now, didn't it? All right, well, you know what it is, the wind kicked up too, so we don't really have a power problem. Well, actually, now that the wind is gone, we have a little bit of a power problem. I think it's kind of nearly done over here, though, so I don't have to worry about it. All right, where was the ceramic? All right, I'm probably going to move the soil centrifuge until I get a platform for what I'm looking for. That's the large printer. Oh, no, wait a minute. Right there. There we go. Oh, actually, this is really going to tap the research chamber, smelting chamber, soil centrifuge. All right there. Yeah, that's actually really going to cause me problems now with power, isn't it? Well, this thing is nearly done. It does seem to be getting its power back, though. Oh, because of the wind kicked in. That's the reason. All right, so this is nearly done here, so it shouldn't be a problem. Okay, chemistry, chemistry. We finally get to play with chemistry. Anticipation. I'm going to stare at it until it's done. And almost there. Boom, done. All right, let's just move this over here. Yeah, I'm going to have to rearrange and make probably 2 new platforms because I do need platform for the other thing too. So you sit there. Okay, no, don't fall. Just hold it a second. Hey, there. Good. All right. So let's put him there, and then we're gonna F it. Okay. So let's take a look at this. All right. We're gonna F this. All right. What do we have here? Rubber. Okay. What is it that I needed first? All right. Let's look at priorities for a moment. My next priority would be the atmospheric condenser. So I have glass, I have iron. I need plastic. So plastic, okay, we're gonna grab that, right? All right, so I need to look up what I need for plastic. So let's look at plastic. All right, so, oh, there it is. Carbon and compound. Well, that's kind of easy right there. I happen to have amounts of both of them. I have carbon over here. Okay, don't do that. All right, pick that up, and then I have this over here, which I use for fuel, which is just, of course, the smelted organic. And looking around, organic isn't a problem. All right, so that means I have what I need to make. Okay, oh, yep, it's green. There we go. Okay, you get to work there. Kind of sounds like the TARDIS, doesn't it? Bing! All done. Okay, so I got plastic. Okay, so now that we have plastic, I needed glass. What was the other thing again? I don't remember. My mind blanked on me. Hold on a minute. Iron, that's it. And I certainly have iron. Fortunately, I went and I got it already. Okay, so let's head back over to this one, right? And let's go to the medium one. Chemistry lab, atmospheric condenser. So you make that. Okay, the reason I'm making that is because I know I'm going to need gases. Because the big thing I want to make, and I do mean big thing. Hold on a minute. Where is it? All right. We're just going to skip right over the medium shuttle. No reason to even mess with that. I want the large shuttle. So I need titanium alloy. All right, 2 ceramic, not a problem. I already have 2 ceramic I can use, right? All right, let's just examine this for a bit. All right, plastic, aluminum alloy. All right, so that'd be aluminum and copper. I could just make that right now, which means I could probably make the medium shuttle, no problem, right? Okay, tungsten carbide. Okay, that's not what I needed. Graphene, hydrazine. Okay, I think that's like a gas combination there. Okay, graphene and graphene will make me diamonds. I'll be rich then. Okay, there's hydrazine. Ammonia, ammonium, and hydrogen. Does this take 3 inputs? Okay, I'm not really sure how that works, but hey, you know, whatever. Silicon, explosive powder, carbon and sulfur. Oh, sulfur, where's sulfur? Steel, titanium alloy. All right, I have the titanium. Then I need graphene, and I need nitrogen on top of that. So nitrogen is kind of what I really need. The graphene, I think we just saw that, didn't we? Hydrazine. Okay, so I have to make hydrogen. Okay, so there's a whole lot of gases going on here, right? All right, let's see. You know, I'm going to have to make another platform because the thing about it is I'll probably need both of them at the same time, and I'm going to need them plugged in. All right, here, you sit over here. Well, not quite there, but you can sit there. All right, and for the moment, you can sit over there. Yeah, I'm going to have to make another one. Do I have... I'm looking to see if I have any spare resin. Nope, I don't. Okay, I am going to get resin. I will be right back. I have obtained the resin and, of course, making a large Type B platform. There we go. All right, let's just take him and put him over here. Over here. All right, and we'll get you out of the way here for a moment. Oh, nope. Stop it. Over there. All right. And let's see. We'll just kind of like put him there. That's about right. Can I rotate that just a little bit that way? Okay, and down. And then we're going to F it. There we go. And we're going to hook you up to there. There we go. There be power. All right. And then we're going to do this. Okay, so let's see. Now, do I need to make a canister for this thing? Or does it make one for itself? All right, what is it that I think I needed hydrogen, right? All right, let's see. What do we have here? That one is a 75. Nitrogen. I know we need nitrogen, probably hydrogen too. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start gathering nitrogen, right? How does that do for the power? The wind isn't going. It doesn't really seem to be hurt. Oh, well, a little bit. A little bit. You know what I'm going to have to do? I'm going to have to make a silo of power so I can just put it there and put all of my batteries on it. As long as it's in the network somewhere, that's all that matters, right? Boom. Okay, so now, is that it? We done? Can I take it off? Is it done? Or is that just going to keep making them? Hold on a minute. Oh, I don't know if that was actually full or not. You notice I'm looking at the little... I mean, there's only 3 of them instead of 5 all the way around. Should I have let it go the whole time? Let's just see if it fills in completely. It does fill in. All right, does it mean this thing is not useful for anything? I have no idea. That's a very good question. I guess we could try testing it with something. Let's see. Anybody need hydrogen? Okay, I think I need to make that anyway. All right, so 2 ammonium and hydrogen. All right, let me just pick this up then. Because I have 2 of those over here, I'm pretty sure. Right, yes I do. All right, so give me this, give me this. All right, let's see if that actually works. Okay, you just keep doing what you're doing. Actually, maybe I should turn you off. Nah, let it go. It's not costing me anything. The power drain, yeah, the power drain actually is a little bit of an issue. I think I will turn it off when it fills in that last one. Okay, can you just stop? Thank you. Because it was really doing stuff to my power. All right, let's just see. Ammonium, okay, do I have those? I have the hydrogen. Maybe it's not counting them because I don't have a full hydrogen. Okay, yeah, I was trying to use nitrogen in order to make the combination here, and yeah, that was as successful as you can imagine. So I'm waiting for a full canister of hydrogen, and then we'll test that again. And then I think we'll do the rest of it the next time. Wow, that actually drains the power kind of ugly, doesn't it? You know what it is? Because the solar is no longer online. You know what? This is going to take forever unless I do something. So, take that, turn that on. Right. All right, so that's going to help, I think. Okay, the generator is starting to do its magic there. You can see the batteries refilling. Okay, one more time. Okay, and then we'll just stop it. Okay, let's try this again. With the whole not embarrassing myself thing. Okay, and it actually went into the container. Okay, this looks like it can happen. So let's make it happen. Now, does that empty the container? It did not. It just probably took one, didn't it? All right, so that's the deal with that. All right, that's the deal. Okay, so I have hydrazine now. All right, that's good. Now, did I need hydrazine for anything important? I don't know. I don't remember. Let's see. I think it wasn't graphene. Oh, I needed it for graphene. That's what I needed it for. So if I get graphite and hydrazine, which I now have actually, here, put that in. Yeah, okay, right. That goes over there. Where is the graphene? Right there. All right. Here, just kind of put that in there. It'll take it. Okay, so then I want to do this, and I can make that now, so do that. Of course, what is the goal here? The goal is, I can't switch off of it until it's done. That kind of makes sense. Now, somewhere along the line, I want to be able to get titanium here. Oh, is that it? You're all done? Okay, graphene. All right, so let's just check this out again. No, not that one. No, not that one. No, no. Oh, titanium alloy! Okay, so I needed the nitrogen, I needed the graphene, and I need the ammonium. Now, I need the ammonium with the nitrogen. Well, actually, I'm confused. All I know is that I have titanium alloy. All right, so I needed that, if memory serves me correctly, to... Oh, I need 2 of them. Okay, that's fine. I do know how to make it, and that is what we're going to do in our next video. So I made one of them. We walked through that. I'll make more, and I'm probably going to make a bunch of things here using chemistry that will be very useful to me in the future. We'll actually put the things together in the next episode, though, but I'll do the combinations so I'll have this stuff available. I also need to... extend this a little bit here because I do want to have that over there, the soul centrifuge, up as well. Besides, there may be other machines. I don't know. I do know I want to do something about my power situation, so there's a certain device that I want to research and see whether or not I can easily make it now that I have a lot of the pieces in place. Maybe I have to fly to another planet, though. Probably will. Anyway, I think that's going to be it for now. So thank you very much for your attention. I really appreciate it. And will you please just look forward? Thank you. Like there. All right. Thank you very much for your attention. I really appreciate it. And play games because games are fun. See ya.